I was traveling for the last 5 days and I happened to binge on this new show Dupaiya streaming on Amazon Prime Video. And before I get started with the review, I just have to say this that the ease and composure of theatre actors in every role they play needs to be studied thoroughly. The basic plot of Dupaiya revolves around Jha family from Dhadakpur village, the only crime-free village in India, who are trying to get their daughter married. Roshni, played by Shivani Raghuvanshi, is keen on marrying someone working in the city so that she can finally start living her life to the fullest. And while looking for probable grooms, she meets Durlab, his younger brother Kuber, and their father. Durlab is a decent guy, he doesn't want any dowry, but he works in the village. So obviously she says कि भाई ये तो suitable groom नहीं है. Meanwhile Kuber is someone who works in Mumbai and has a government job. सोने पे सुहागा. And since he is a better catch, अभी तो स्कूटर से काम नहीं चलेगा, अब तो हमें बुलेट चाहिए. So they asked for a dowry of 5 lakh rupees, जिसमें 3 लाख की बुलेट है और 2 लाख का उन्हें सिर्फ पेट्रोल का खर्चा चाहिए अगले 2 साल के लिए, क्योंकि खुद के जेब से थोड़ी ना देंगे पैसे. कैसे कैसे करके भनवर झा, प्लेड बाय गजराज राव, रिलक्टेंटली अग्रीज कि हाँ भाई चलो बेटी के लिए इतना तो कर ही सकते. बट शॉर्टली आफ्टर द परचेज ऑफ बुलेट, अफेक्शनेटली नोन एज दुपैया, it gets stolen. Now, because of this, hell breaks loose as it indicates two things. One, the crime free tag of Dhadakpur is in danger, and also Roshni's wedding is in jeopardy. The 9 episode series focuses on the villagers trying to stop the Jha family from filing an FIR and simultaneously looking for the stolen Dupaiya. Avinash Divivedi plays the role of Kuber, who is more interested in getting the bullet rather than marrying Roshni. And as the series goes on, you realize कि सबका कुछ ना कुछ एजेंडा है इस शादी को लेके. It is not really a union of two people or two families. और देखते वक्त भी आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि भाई शादी की नहीं, यहाँ तो कोई बिजनेस डील हो रही है. Other characters who have significant screen presence are Pushpalata Yadav as the village head, played by Renuka Shahane. Bhugol Jha, played by Sparsh Srivastav, who is the son of Jha family. Amavas, played by Bhuvan Arora, who is Roshni's ex-boyfriend. Nirmal Yadav, the daughter of Pushpalata, who runs a personality development class in the village so that the blue-collared workers get recruited abroad, played by Khushbu Khushwa. And Mithilesh Khushwa, a senior inspector in the neighboring village, played by Yashpal Sharma. The biggest merit of the series is that it doesn't take itself too seriously. Sensitive topics like lack of opportunities in the village, not having clean water to drink, the give and take of dowry, arranged marriages happening without the couple knowing anything about each other except their name, and a general bias towards fair and good looking people is portrayed very satirically. The writing is very strong as it makes the audience think but doesn't make them uncomfortable. But I believe that this is also one of the demerits of the show, क्योंकि आप कोई कैरेक्टर के साथ इमोशनली कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. श्योर द जोक्स आर देयर टू मेक यू लाफ, लेकिन जब कोई इमोशनल सीन आता है आपका वो इमोशनल कनेक्ट नहीं है वो कैरेक्टर के साथ. देयर इज दिस स्टैंड आउट सीन फ्रॉम द सीरीज जहाँ पे मिस्टर झा और इंस्पेक्टर एक दूसरे के सामने है, एंड मिस्टर झा बेसिकली गोज ऑन दिस इमोशनल रेंट जहाँ पे वो बोल रहा है कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेंटेन द डिग्निटी ऑफ माई फैमिली while trying to get my daughter married and I'm also protecting my village's name कि उसका crime free का tag बना रहे. The scene is very beautiful and I have to say this again, Gajraj Rao deserves a lot more recognition than what he is getting. There's also this subplot of Laundia dance where Bhugol and Amavas have to dance as ladies as a part of the deal. I cannot speak more about it क्योंकि फिर suspense बाहर आ जाएगा. And the angle that they've tried to take is a comedic one, लेकिन वो गाना बहुत cringe है. It will make you really cringe and I fast forwarded the entire song क्योंकि उसका कुछ plot में value है ना ही आपको हंसी आएगी. The only bad performance I would say was of Bhuvan Arora's, surprisingly, because he was so good in Farzi. लेकिन उसकी भी गलती नहीं है क्योंकि उसको जो डायलॉग्स दिए गए थे वो इतने नेचुरल नहीं थे. They felt like he was doing the dialogues by heart. Like episode after episode he is saying the same thing कि भाई ये जो लड़का है इसको रोशनी से ज़्यादा बुलेट पे प्यार है, which is true by the way. But his presence wasn't commanding or very effortless. He was trying too hard to showcase as सख्त लौंडा while still being in love with Roshni. Rest everyone did their part pretty well, and the standout performer for me was Sparsh Srivastav as Bhugol, someone who is trying to showcase that he is the man of the family now and his father should appreciate his efforts. एंड ही इज़ द टिपिकल रीलर जिसको मुंबई जाके रील्स बना के सिर्फ फेमस होना है, उसको सुपरस्टार बनना है, और उसका कैरेक्टर देख के आपको इंडिया के टिकटॉक के दिन की याद आ जाएगी जहाँ पे सबको सिर्फ वीडियोस बना के लग रहा था कि वो सुपरस्टार बन जाएंगे. द वे ही मेक्स यू लाफ एंड क्रिंज, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी एफर्टलेस. यू कैन लिटरली फील द टेरर इन हिज वॉइस जब वो बोलते हैं कि अरे टीपू भाई दुपहिया चोरी हो गई है. द फ्यूचर सीम्स वेरी ब्राइट फॉर हिम. Overall, this series is a 3.5 out of 5, and had they excluded the Laundia Nach, the series would have definitely been a 4 out of 5. I am just a little bit worried कि उनको ना वो फॉर्मूला पता चल गया है कि अगर आप मेथड एक्टर्स लेंगे एंड इफ़ यू शूट इट इन अ विलेज एंड द कॉस्ट्यूम्स आर ऑथेंटिक, people will tune in to watch. I just hope that they don't exploit this panchayat type series and make the entire theme very saturated. If you guys have already seen the show, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you very soon with another video. Cheers.